Hello, welcome to Pravin's Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook chicken curry. Before cooking chicken curry, starting, we require for each chicken, roasted chicken, we require two large onions, finely chopped, and one large tomato. To start, I'm going to prepare roast the fresh masala by taking for each chicken, roast chicken, I'll take 2 tablespoons of dhania, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 2 cinnamon stick, 10 cloves, 15 black pepper, 2 aniseed, 4 split elaichi or cardamom, and 2 big elaichi cardamom. Onions are finely chopped, and tomatoes are finely chopped as well. I'm gonna roast the masalas till I have a smoke coming out of that, and then I'll grind it and use it for my chicken curry. So let's just do this masala. It's on a pan with the heat. So we're gonna roast this thing till we have a smoke coming out. It'll be about 5 minutes. Keep stirring until your coriander seed is turning brown, and you can really smell the aromatic flavor of this mixture. Now you can see smoke coming out, so it's well roasted and the coriander seed is really gone brown. So at this point I will switch off my cooker and let the masala cool down before grinding. Okay, once the masala is cooled down, we are going to grind it and make it a very fine powder, and that's what we're going to use in our chicken. Nothing else, no other masala except for ginger, garlic, salt, and haldi, turmeric. So here it is. We're going to transfer it in a grinder. Grind it till it turns into very fine powder. If it's not very fine, then you need to use a sieve to take the big bits out. So my masala is ready, and empty it in the bowl, and you can see it's very fine, like a powdered thing. Today I'm going to cook chicken for 15 people. So everything is like a large quantity. So when you cook one chicken, you need to make sure you follow the instruction for one chicken. So that's a big pot for 15 people, and I'm going to have 6 tablespoons of oil in it and warm it up, and then fry my onions. So here we go. So let the oil get warm. Meanwhile, we'll chop the onions and tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Once the oil is warm, I'll put my diced onion. Remember, I'm cooking for 15 people, but for each rooster chicken, one whole chicken required 2 large onion and 1 large tomato finely chopped. And we're gonna cook this onion till they go golden brown. So I'm gonna put a lid on it and let it cook itself, and then every now and then I'll stir it up till it goes golden brown. At this point they're turning all golden brown, so I'm going to put some ginger and garlic. For each chicken I'll put 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of garlic and 2 teaspoon ginger. Once I put garlic and ginger, once again just let it stir for a while, and then I'm going to put some green chilies which has been pested. For each chicken I'll put half a teaspoon, and this is according to your taste, so green chili is according to your taste. Again, mix the green chili for about a minute, stir it, and then it's time to put your chopped tomatoes. So in goes the chopped tomatoes, and you're going to stir it for a few minutes. Mix the tomato very well with the onions and garlic, ginger and green chili. Put the lid back for a few minutes before I add salt, haldi and red chilies. Once the tomato is gone soft and mixed with the onions, I'm going to put my grinded masala inside. For each chicken you require 2 tablespoons of masala. So I'm going to put that together with salt, turmeric and red chilies to taste. Salt and chilies is on your taste. So let's do that. For each chicken I'll put half a teaspoon of haldi, one teaspoon of salt, red chili powder. Again, it will be on your taste. And finally, my ground masala, 2 tablespoons per chicken. Remember, I'm cooking for 15 people, so now all the masalas are getting mixed up. Let it cook for a while, and then we will put chicken inside. So everything is in, mix very well, let it cook for a while, and then we'll put the chicken in. I'm just going to add some water to make a very smooth paste. Now chicken is ready to go in. Here's my 3 chickens, all nicely diced, into the pan, and just mix it with masala. Mix the chicken well, and all the masala needs to be coated to the chicken. And again, close the lid and just let the chicken cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. Once it's cooked and all the masalas are coated with the chicken, then we'll put some water and let it cook, simmer in the water. Okay, chicken is now nicely covered with all the masala, and you can really smell the aroma of my masala. At this point now I'm going to put the water into the pot and cover it. Cover the whole chicken and let it cook then for about 15 minutes, and you keep adding water till you are satisfied that chicken is cooked. Normally if it's one chicken, then it will cook within 20 to 30 minutes. It depends how much sauce you want. Some people like sauce too much. I prefer to have a very thick gravy, so I tend to burn off the water as it goes along. And some people prefer to put potato inside after 10-15 minutes. I love potatoes, so I'll put potatoes in my chicken. Trying to stir the cooked chicken again, and at this point there's enough water, so I'm not going to add any water. There's always some water which oozes out from the chicken. At this point I'm to put my potatoes inside. Remember, I'm cooking for 15 people here. So in goes potato, and we'll close the lid again and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally as we go along. Right, chicken is almost cooked now. The potatoes are all done. So this, I'm going to switch off. But before that, I'm going to spread a little bit of butter inside the chicken, so it just gives me that buttery flavor. There goes my butter. So put some butter there, and that will give me a nice buttery flavor. That's it, all done. Chicken curry ready to be. Finally, the chicken is done. Sprinkle some coriander, fresh coriander for garnish, and we have a lovely chicken curry.